Alright YouTube, here we have the little yard job as F714 today. 60-35 is up front. Looks like he's shoving back at this point. Got a single GP40-2 for power. Yep, he's shoving it back, working the yard right now. Line 3B. And dispatcher's got a line here. Dispatcher's got a signal out here for him in case he needs to come onto the main. But anyway, there goes F714 as he shoves back into the yard as he does his yard work. So anyway, thanks for watching. Dash 9W and a AC 6000 leaser. The 5000 series, the X1 and 2. A22. Got a nice whole friendly horn salute. Like it. And he looks good by me. Well, there you guys have it. 822 goes east with a Dash 9W and an XCSX AC 6000. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Alright guys, following NS 822 Collier with the CSX AC 6000 second out, we have Amtrak 80 northbound here at North Collier.
080, the Carolinian at Collier after 822 with a PRLX AC 6000.
And we have something lined to come south as well. So let's see if I can check him out. Hey, got a nice horn shit from Amtrak 80. Yeah! 154! 7 on the pole! Well, there you guys have it. There goes Amtrak 80 as he screams the North Collier as he goes north. Amtrak 154 leading Amtrak 80 with 7 on the pole. PO80, excuse me.
154 North Dave Approach, BX on the 2 track.
And we have something lined to come south, so give me a second to shift the camera and we'll be right back. Thanks for watching.
Got a clear signal on VX.
Alright, following Amtrak 80, now we have Amtrak 89. Southbound, here at North Collier with Amtrak 98 in the lead. Southbound Palmetto.
Alright, we got the Palmetto.
Southbound Palmetto, Eli.
Palmetto, 308, P9. With the Sega Genesis in the lead. Like always.
And just waiting for him to bend around the curve. He just met Amtrak 80 just a little north of us. Yeah. And beautiful day out here at North Collier. Watch some good old trains. So let's lay back and check them out as Amtrak 80 screams through North Collier. Here we go.
All right, we got PO 89.
PO89 locomotive, 98 South 1 track at a clear North Collier. North Collier clear.
Yeah! Seven on the clock. So there you guys have it. Amtrak 89 goes southbound Palmetto as he goes south with Amtrak P42DC number 98 in command. And once again, 7 on the pole. All right, we're waiting on some CSXs now. Thanks for watching.
Come in here, Ray, and clean out the thing.
All right, guys, here we have NS 234 eastbound here at North Collier. Cleared milepost 89.0. Dash 9W's up front. Let's lay back and check him out as he rolls on the belt line. Here we go.
234 got a clear signal. 4.6.
And nothing's lined on CSX. Here you go, I'm screaming through North Collier. Three ponies. Yeah! 9463, 9861, and 8005. On 234. Woo-hoo! All right, guys, there you guys have it. NS 234 as he glides east with dash 9W 9463, another dash 9W and an ES 44 AC, all for power, and 104 cars going east today. It's all loaded. That's a very impressive 234. All right, guys, we'll ship back over to the CSX. Thanks for watching. All right, you guys, following NS 234, we have Amtrak 79 southbound Collier here at North Collier.
All right. We got 79. 79.
Locomotive 191's up front. Let's lay back and check it out as he goes through North Collier. Here we go. Also heard from Buddy Mine, we had a westbound NS as well. Be here in about an hour. And I'm sure we'll have a southbound parade on CSX once 79 gets out of here. Let's lay back and check him out as he rolls through North Collier. Here we go.
Amtrak 79 locomotive 191 clear North Collier 1 south over.
Yeah! I tell you one thing, when they get out of Petersburg, he wastes no time getting going. Wow. It's like the 4th Amtrak train I've seen today. Well, there goes the Amtrak 79 as he rips through North Collier with P40GC number 191 in command. Got a nice friendly horn show there from Amtrak there. Man. So he's out of the way. We're waiting on some more trains. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. All right, guys. Following Amtrak 79, or PO 79. Now we have NS 814 coal train. Eastbound here at North Collier. Get ready to go around to the old ACL. Let's lay back and check him out as he rolls through North Collier. Here we go. Second coal drag of the day.
All right, 814 at Collier Yard. Just after that, it is gonna be Q415.
Most likely.
More likely.
Got a southbound line up on the A line as well.
Don't know.
Second coal drag of the day, and we've got a westbound that's also coming on NS in just a bit. So somewhere westbound will probably have to hold. She sounds good tonight.
Yep.
GE, that's what it looks like.
Yes.
Comment looks like, no, he's been pretty good. 3 GEs. Oh, 4141. Yeah. 8133 and 7564. C6M leads the way. And he looks good by me.
Yeah, clear freighter route.
Cars. 110 cars. Woohoo! There you have it. 814 goes east with a C6M 4141 ES44AC and a -9W.
All right.
All right.
All right. We got.
Thanks for watching.